Hey everybody, we are at Top of the Rock. This is just south of Branson, and we're here for the Lost Canyon Cave Tour. This is going to be great. This is where you take the golf cart and you take it for a 2.5-mile ride up the mountain and through the mountain. This is really going to be fun. The way I was thinking about doing this video is just putting together so that you could ride along with us the entire time. I'm not going to do a lot of dialogue on this one. Just want you to see the sights because this entire venue is about seeing the sights. Hope you enjoy it. And this is the way it starts right here, everybody.
I like the flags on they put the American flags on everything.
Yeah, I know. It's
very patriotic.
really cool.
Since it's, Flag Day yesterday.
Yeah. Patriotic place for sure. Check us out up there. Yeah.
My golf ball was in some of that cabbage grass yesterday.
Just like that. That was our
like
golf
that.
game. I was just like that.
that.
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh, hold on. This drives just like a Tesla.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
Regen? Yeah, regen? Okay.
Yeah. One pedal drive.
So this is what, a 2.5-mile course? Something like that. I think that's what they said. Up the mountain, down the mountain, around the mountain, and through the mountain.
And a cave. I guess that would be through the mountain.
I guess that, yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Really cool up here, isn't it? It's
Yeah, it
very
is nice. Very nice.
I don't think they have the humidity we do at home.
They don't, because they're in the mountains. It's different. Well, YouTube viewers, I have not missed it being 94 that feels like of 101 back at home. Weather, other than a little rain, has been fantastic.
Check this out. Yeah.
We're going in the cave, y'all. Sunglasses off. Oh, not
Okay.
a little bear action.
I think there was a bear that just jumped out of it. Yeah. They actually had bear sounds on it. That's pretty. So pretty.
Morning. Look.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting a taste of what this is going to be already. This is beautiful.
Watch for wildlife.
The bears are going to get you.
That's right.
Should take a picture of that sign and see what those folks.
Squirrel.
Another squirrel.
Squirrel. Okay.
That's a big squirrel.
It is a big squirrel.
barking, too.
He's as big as a
It's
fox. Look
barking.
at that guy.
Yeah, quite a bit. We got here when we did. They seem to probably be busy all day.
That's a good point. We got here right as they opened, and it immediately filled up. The line was you know, it was really quick, right at the stroke of 8:30.
It was pretty much almost out the door.
Yeah, and so
Buying the tickets online ahead of time, great tip.
Saves you a lot of heartache if you go ahead and get your tickets online, because then you don't stand in line. You stand in the second line. You don't stand in line for tickets. You just go straight and stand in line for your golf cart. And getting here early, not bad advice. First of all, beautiful weather, nice and cool, great time to be in the woods. But then this line is going to get intense before the day is over.
Look at all
It's already happening now.
Golf carts are stacking up.
Yep.
Hey, look at that little bird feeder.
Oh, that's what's slowing everybody down right there, yeah. Big waterfall coming up, yep.
Definitely do a lot of maintenance around here to keep this place looking as beautiful as it does.
You can see that right back there. There was
Yeah.
obviously a tree that fell down last night, and the crews are here first thing cleaning it up. Looks like they're about finished now, all it open. Yeah, that's pretty. That's really, oh, so we get to drive through the water. I like it.
That's why people are going slow. They don't want to get wet.
Yeah, and there's the waterfall coming down, cascading, and then there you go.
Didn't even have to throw it in four-wheel drive.
No, not even in four-wheel drive. This thing four-wheel drive? No.
Probably not, but it's a very nice golf cart.
It is a nice golf cart, I give you that. I really like it, yeah. And you can scan this code right here to get the full bat bar menu. Hoop-de-doo. Okay. The second waterfall.
With a wolf.
Yeah. Very impressive.
They haven't got this one yet, but they got it bucked up ready to load. Ding dong, the witches dead.
Suzanne, we saw YouTube of when they have it decorated for Christmas.
Oh, but that's pretty.
You
So it's just one cascading waterfall after another on this entire 2.5 mile ride. I mean, it's just beautiful up here. Oh, here's a get out photo spot. Okay. Coming up on the entrance to the bat bar. On my foot. Thank you. All right, almost tripped on myself. Okay, so we are out of the car, out of the golf cart. Photo op spot. It's pretty here. It's certainly pretty. Little traffic jam going into the cave, but this is what everybody really waits for, is this particular ride through the cave to where the bat bar is going to be. It's pretty cool. Definitely in a traffic jam in a cave, that's a first.
Hi there, guys.
Hello.
How are y'all doing today?
Good.
Thank you, guys.
Wow. Look at the size of the cathedral in this cave. This is cool. I mean, very cool. And wet too. We just got soaked. Okay. Okay.
Got a little spray.
They have wet cameras now. That's okay. A saber-toothed cat? What? Okay. Not sure that's real, but it looked pretty. Bass Pro Shop's cool.
It's the ambiance.
Ambiance, very important.
Yeah.
I gotta say, on the first 20 minutes of this tour, we've seen a lot of stuff. Really, really beautiful area. It has. It has. I know that everyone wants to say it's a tourist trap, but it's really nice up here. Really, really nice.
See your camera.
They're 2 feet away from me and they don't care.
I just love how Johnny Morris really is a conservationist and has preserved all of this, and he made it into a way that people can see this while keeping, obviously, the charm. And that's another waterfall, people. Imagine that. We've never been.
So this is going to be the lower end of one of the 2 waterfalls that we saw when we first came in. We were several feet up, and now,
You kind of see some
yeah, because we remember seeing the wolf down way below from us. We were way up on that ridge when we first came in. Get to see it at a lower tier now. It's just, I don't know how many drops that waterfall has. About 10.
I bet we're going to find them all. I bet that wolf is really pretty, especially at
Hey,
Christmas
we got
time.
another drive through the water thing here. Is it a bear den?
Looks like it.
It does look like
It
it.
says don't feed the bear.
Don't feed the bear, says it right there.
What did you get to drink? That is pretty. Table house.
It is beautiful. Beautiful scenery. We got a squirrel encounter earlier.
fake bear. That was good.
Fake bear, saber-toothed cat.
Worth noting for people that want to come here, the Cedar Lodge is really a first-class place if you wanted to stay there. It is pricey, you expect that, but it's also one of those places that's pricey, but usually really worth it. It's really, really beautiful up here. Everything is extremely authentic, and I can't say that I wouldn't enjoy staying up here. I mean, I hadn't seen it before now, and it wasn't part of the original plan, but certainly there's a lot to do. There's some epic restaurant up there. There is also a 9-hole golf course hanging off the side of this mountain, along with this cool canyon cave tour.
So I want to add to that is that Big Cedar Lodge owns or is in partnership with the Payne Valley Golf Course, and if any of y'all know anything about golf, you know that Paynes Valley was designed by Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods, y'all.
Yeah, and it's very pricey to play, but from just looking at it online, it does look like that you get a discount if you are staying at the Big Cedar Lodge or one of their accommodations.
You're gonna need a discount, yeah.
So any little bit's gonna help.
Yeah. Look at this waterfall too. Right here is, wow. Okay, we're getting sprayed. We're getting sprayed. I got a good misting.
On a hot summer day, that would feel great.
I don't know. Whoever did all the ironwork for these bridges was actually a truly skilled artist. Look at that. Looks like I got some camera lenses to clean real quick, y'all. Okay. Had to be done. When you get here, take the course at your own path. There is no pole position. You're just in the line behind everybody. Just take it as it comes.
Enjoy the scenery. Self-guided. It did say on the screen though there was a local artisan did do all of the ironworks for the entire property. And I think that also includes probably all of like Big Cedar Lodge stuff.
You might. Look at this. You said at Paynes Valley there's a 19th hole so you can settle a bet? Is that what you said?
Yeah. And it's kind of similar. You hit and it's right off the face of a cliff with a waterfall feature like this.
That is.
To a par 3 green. And you know, if you finish your 18 holes with your foursome and you know it's
So the water comes down from there and it goes into that pool and it actually goes underneath all of these rocks to the other side over here and actually shoots out down on the bottom and none of the rest of this gets wet. That's neat. Okay. You see why they call it these table rocks too. Look at the way that every rock is the same.
yeah. So if you finish it even and you don't need to settle a bet, see who wins the pot at the end of the day. I can't hold. I think it's an ingenious idea. And it's a very beautiful. But it's just like this. You have a quick face like that, and just below it, it's like keep a note for it.
Got you right on the edge of the rock right there. Yeah. It's a cliff, man.
It's beautiful. Well, you can see the lake.
It is, yeah. You can barely see it, but yeah, there's a great view of the lake. Oh, that's so pretty. So walk across the bridge here.
Walk across the bridge.
Yeah, you're up pretty high right here. Yeah. Everybody, obviously, when you come up to this waypoint, you've got to get off the golf cart and enjoy yourself because this is one of the best views we've seen all day. Say that again.
For all the theme parks, with the wondrous things they do, you can't beat actual nature.
I agree. I agree. That's an awesomeness. This hill, this is great here now.
No, we're not walking.
Yeah, I'm glad we're not walking. That'll work.
Really coming up high on this next ridge. Yeah, and you can see this is the next phase of everything right now. I haven't even seen
Some patriotic signage up here. Look at this. This is amazing.
Oh, wow.
Makes you feel good when you see something like that. Perfect timing for the 250 celebration this year.
Celebration of service.
Yep.
They have all of the service members. There's a plaque for each one.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. A plaque for each branch of service coming up.
Thank you to the veterans out there that truly make this the land of the free and the home of the brave.
You know it.
This is it.
All right, so we're going to end the video as we drive back up to the Welcome Center to return the golf cart. This was fun. This was really, really fun. Don't listen to people say that it's a tourist trap because it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend it. Thanks for taking the ride with us. I will see you on the next adventure of a lifetime.